Hi, Jarrod, Carman from the eView Group, and welcome to 11B St George Court in Frankston. Nice quiet location, great little spot, but look what we have here. This amazing property, only a year old. It is stunning. The presentation of this home is mint. Get in there and check it out. Come on, go. Such an awesome property. The color scheme is just right on point. The styling, as I mentioned before, is beautiful. You've got a nice little dining area here, lots of light coming through, and connected to the kitchen with Caesar stone bench tops, 900mm oven, stainless steel appliances all the way through, really cool pantry space, hidden fridge. And this opens out, open plan living, into a really sizable living room. Nice high ceilings, lots of light coming through. It's just gorgeous. Downstairs there's a laundry and access to a powder room right near the entertaining, so it's set out really well. And then you've got access to the single garage internally, straight through. Upstairs, the same colour palette throughout. So upstairs you've got a great bathroom, it's really, really lovely. And then there's 2 bedrooms of good size, really good size. And then you have the master bedroom. So the master bedroom has built-in robes, really good proportions, and a lovely ensuite bathroom, the same sort of tones throughout. It's really nice. And out off the living room, you have this fantastic backyard that faces north. It's laid out perfectly. It is a great home, big deck out the back here, and really good proportions out to be able to entertain. It's an awesome home. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give myself or my team a call anytime, or we'll see you at the open.